Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ed and you are watching Random E. So today I'm going to show you some of the accessories that I bought for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So as you all know, in my previous video, I unboxed my iPhone 12 Pro Max and actually I bought my accessories first while waiting for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So mostly I bought crystal case and another case to protect my phone, and then when I go hiking or go to the beach or something, I can use my waterproof case which I bought from Shopee. I already tested this and it's working perfectly, so no water got in the case. And also I bought the backstick silicone card bag from Baseus. So I also bought tempered glass, and this is already an old Bluetooth speakers. This is waterproof. The brand is Nyne or Nyne. And I also bought a Dbrand, which I saw from a vlogger, and this is to protect the edge. I'm planning to put a sticker on the edge because the edge is quite shiny and glossy. I'm worried that if I use this phone for a long time, it will get some scratches or might have the coating wear off. So yeah, this is the purpose for the Dbrand. And this is already old. I'm using my Bose headphones, QuietComfort 25. Hi everyone, welcome back. And right now I'm going to show you how I install my tempered glass to my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here it is. So yeah, that's it for my iPhone 12 Pro Max accessories. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks.